Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So today we are looking at the next chapter of Vasant Bag 2 class 7. Okay, Hindi. Let's begin with it. But before reading the poem or the lesson, we should know the meaning of the title. Very important part, right? Yes. So let's begin with the title name. Sham Ek Kisan. You might be thinking Sham. Sham is a person and he's a farmer. No. Actually, according to the poet, Sham is evening. So we should also read it as evening only here. Okay. And we have Ek. Ek means one. We know that it is very easy. Kisan, farmer. Okay, so evening is one farmer. Evening, a one farmer. Don't think that real evening is a farmer. Okay, just style. The poet has given like that. The title has been given like that. Okay. So before reading the poem, we can't judge, right? So we have to read the poem now. I'm going to say you the summary so that it makes easier. But before starting that, we need to know the poet because he has kept such a different title for this poem. Sarveshwar Dayalji. Okay, this great person has written the poem Sham Ek Kisan. Okay, शाम एक किसान. कविता में कवि ने जाड़े की शाम के दृश्य को एक किसान के रूप में व्यक्त किया है. That means why he has kept this title here, I am going to tell you now. Sham ek kisan, in this poem, the poet has told that uh, in his view to the view of evening, he found that evening to be a farmer. One farmer he found. That's why he has kept the title as Sham Ek Kisan. Okay, you can look here. Something has something picture is here. Yeah, जाड़े की शाम का दृश्य और किसान के बीच समानता दिलाई गई है. That means he has told that there are some similarities between the view of evening and farmer. See, he has found that similarities and he has told that Sham is one farmer. Okay. Yeah, who told that? Sarveshwar Dayalji. That much intelligent. Now we have known why he has kept the title like that. Now let's begin with the poem. What happened? जिस प्रकार किसान माथे पर सफा बांधकर चिलम खींचता है, उसी प्रकार पहाड़ आकाश रूपी सफा बांधकर सूरज की चिलम खींचता दिलाई देता है. That means when you observe a farmer, he ties some one cloth kind of thing to his head. So in the same way, the mountains which are there, they have tied the sky and the sun like that. He is imagine his imagination. So sun is the head of the person and this blue sky is there, no, that is the cloth whichever he ties to his head, like that his imagination. So we have studied the first two lines now almost. Yeah, we'll look at the next lines also. जिस प्रकार किसान के घुटनों पर चादर पड़ती रहती है, उसी प्रकार पहाड़ों के सामने नदी रूप चादर है. Chadar means like they will be whenever they are working in the fields or they're working, what happens, they get lots of sweat, right, and water also will be there. So that's why this pahad is having water in the same way. That one more similarity our Sarveshwar Dayalji has found. Okay, that is the second one. And so we have completed this line also. Next we look at the next line. सर्दी को दूर करने के लिए किसान अंगली जलता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार शाम की उंगली है. So he is saying that for being little hot, warm or something, he puts his fingers, right? Angli means fingers. Okay. He uses his fingers. In the same way, Pahad also have. He has found somewhere those fingers also. That is one more similarity which our poet has found. Next one is next one also we will find it. And next we have तलाश के जंगल जिसमें लाल रंग के फूल आग की बाती जलते दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Okay, so what it is saying is there are some red color flowers in the forest jungle, it seems. So it is like fire in the or the field, whichever the kisan is working. So like that he's feeling. बेड़ों के गले के सामान दूर छिपा अंधेरे बैठ रहा था. अचानक मोर की आवाज ऐसा लगता है. That means what he is feeling is some बेड़े के गले के सामने दूर. That means it is very far, but in front far. Okay, it was there, and it was like some more. आवाज was like more. More means not shop more. Okay, it is peacock. You should be able to understand that. Don't think it is that. And the next what happened was, let's read. Then Sarveshwar Dayalji, what he has told, it is one peacock he was thinking then. In front something was there and it was sounding like peacock, so he thought it is a peacock now. Then what happened? That too it was hidden. One more important point, it is hidden. Fine. Now जैसे इसी के साथ घटना दृश्य बदल जाता है. So like this, whenever he is thinking, no, his thing, whatever दृश्य means whatever view is there, it is keeping on changing. Okay. चिलम उल्टी हो गई, धुआं उठने लगा और सूरज डूब गया तथा चारों ओर अंधेरा छा गई. That means Suraj that means it went off. Sun is not there now. Moon came. That is night, right? Andhera was there. Okay. So that is the poem. He was getting different things. First it was Kisan, then it became peacock, and next we don't know what will happen. So it was night then. This was the poem 8, very simple and short. Sham Ek Kisan. Hope you all understood the poem. Read it once. This is the full poem, very short, only 2 paragraphs. You can read it and understand. You can look at the summaries also from your text or some materials and understand the chapter. If you like our video, give a big thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thank you.